Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. My name is Niknar Intan Shazlin binti Muhammad Idam Shahring and I am from class AS1202D. My metric number is 2021463082. And for today, this is my video for the presentation on case study for subject BIO150. This is the situation given for the case study that I have chosen. The main topic is mainly about facing digestive problems and how important it is for the enzymes to help in this problem. It is also mentioned that even youngsters will have to deal with digestive problems. Other than that, age also will affect the production of these particular enzymes. First and foremost, I will be explaining the introduction for this video. So, digestive problem is a health problem condition that happened involving our digestive system. It could be not serious and also treatable sometimes, but it can also be really serious, which could cause us a lot of pain. Some of the common happening digestive problems are heartburn, lactose intolerance, and also diarrhea. It is absolutely no fun to be suffering from all of these. So for the next one will be the problem statement. Digestive disease usually happen because of the bacteria that is in the food we consume. It can also be the result of maybe any infections, stress, and also after consuming certain medication. Digestive enzymes play important roles and also they are important elements in our digestive system, and it will cause a lot of problems if there is no presence of digestive enzymes. The lack of digestive enzymes will make it hard for our body to break down the food we digested, and our body will not be able to absorb the nutrients from the food. The next one, I will be explaining the case study questions given. And for the first question is, how do enzymes work? So firstly, enzyme is a biological molecule that helps to speed up any chemical reactions in the human body system. Enzymes work by lowering the activation energy and act as the catalyst of any chemical reactions. Enzyme will bind to their designated substrate and break larger molecules into smaller pieces. This will help our body to easily absorb the nutrients from the breaking down of the molecules. Enzymes are also known to be really highly selective catalysts, which means that it can only speed up specific chemical reactions. The next question, which is question 2, what are the enzymes that is in the digestive aids? So people with a digestive problem will need to consume supplements or being known as digestive aids in order to make sure that the system is running smoothly. The enzymes that exist in the digestive aids are similar to the enzymes produced in our own digestive system, which are amylase, lipase, and also protease. Amylase has a role to break down carbohydrates, and the insufficiency of amylase will lead to problems like diarrhea. While for lipase, it works with liver to break down our fats. If our body lacks lipase, we will be lacking in fat-soluble vitamins as well, which are vitamin A, D, E, and K. Whereas for protease, this particular enzyme works to break down proteins into amino acids, and a not enough amount of protease can affect our intestines. But in these digestive aids, it usually contains enzymes which is called pancrelipase, which is the mixture of amylase, lipase, and protease enzymes. These enzymes are typically made from the pig's pancreas, which have already been approved by the FDA. The third question is, are they the same as our digestive enzymes and will it be effective? So to answer this question, in fact, the digestive aids or digestive supplements provided are actually quite similar to our own digestive enzymes. digestive aids will help the body to produce the lacking digestive enzymes that our body could not produce anymore. It is actually effective for people with the digestive problems such as diarrhea and also bloating to help them in improving their own digestive system. However, one needs to consume the right amount of the supplements and not to take more than the recommended doses. There are also few possible side effects that can occur after consuming these aids, such as nausea, vomiting, and also some people will have allergic reactions to the supplements provided. The fourth question is how digestive enzyme will be affected when people is having high fever. The answer is digestive enzymes will be affected when people is having high fever because each of the enzymes is known to work at a required temperature. It is to ensure them working with the maximum efficiency capability. When a person is having a fever, the temperature of the body will rise higher than the normal body temperature, which is 37 degrees Celsius. As being known, enzymes will be denatured and can no longer function at a really high temperature. That is partially the reason why sick people is asked to avoid eating any spicy food because enzymes that actually play a big role in digestive system cannot be functioning at the moment. The last question is, does enzyme decrease as our age increased? So the answer to that is yes. Enzyme activity will decrease as our age keeps increasing. People of late ages will be experiencing digestive issues from time to time, and it is usually at the starting of 60s. The production of digestive enzymes will start to decrease and the body will produce fewer of these enzymes. As being known, each of the digestive enzymes are really important to maintain a stable system and help to break down the food. If the number of the enzymes produced become lesser, it will make it harder for the body to break down the molecules. This could be the result of insufficiency nutrients needed for our body. So lastly, for the conclusion, to sum up everything, digestive problem is indeed a really serious problem that needs to be monitored before it will be getting any worse. Ones have a really huge role to ensure the healthiness of their own digestive problems by practicing a healthy lifestyle that helps in making the enzymes run smoothly. As we all know, having digestive problem is a really major horror to anyone, so it is better to be safe than be sorry. That is all from me for my presentation. Thank you for listening.